So I don't want to talk much more. Let's follow me if you want to know. Tara! This is Varsity Mall that I want to share with you. Okay, I want to share with you about the history of the V Mall. This opened on 2017. Its operation in 2 years ago. And V Mall is the main place for a student in UUM for a variety of goods and service. So I don't want to waste my time. So let's go. Food stall that open here, and usually they started operation at 7 PM and it will be closed on 10 PM. So at here have a variety of food like Western food, Turkish food, Malay food, waffle, dessert, and so on. So now I want to share with you about a special food at here that my favorite food. So let's go. Price. Okay. Now at here have a two special menu at food court in the V Mall. So this is a nasi kukus and this is a nasi kerabu, and we can see at the nasi kukus have a chicken, onions, vegetables and sambal belacan, while a nasi kerabu have a fish cracker, chicken, sambal belacan, vegetables, fried onions and a sambal merah. That I have choose is the teh ice and a black coffee. So if you want this food, let's come over here. Yeah. Very nice. Okay, I try sambal belacan. So spicy, but it's delicious. Can I ask you some question?
Can.
Do you like eating at the V Mall?
For me, I like to eat at Vimol because there are many kind of food there.
Oh. How about the menu at there?
I like some kind of Thai food because Thai food is very delicious and it has a special taste, such as spicy taste. For example, I give you nasi goreng Thai. They put some chilies and when they fry it, and when I eat it, I feel like I'm eating the Thai food.
Oh, so you like Thai food.
Thai food.
Oh.
Rather than other food, I like Thai food.
Oh. How about facilities at there?
Facilities at Wimont are complete, and because I see many students at there eat in a comfortable place. The place at Wimont also more clean because the cleaners always do their job, and people, the student and the staff there can eat there properly and happily there.
You eating at there every day or just
I eat
a week?
once a week. Once a week.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, sir. Can I ask you some question?
Yes, of course.
Do you like eating at the Vimo food court?
I like it at Vimol food court
Because
at Vimol food court we have variety of food, such as we can eat Western, Thai food, Malay food, Chinese food, and others. So for Western food we can eat chicken chop. For Thai food we can eat tom yum. For Malay food we can eat nasi lemak or nasi berlauk.
okay. How about the facilities at the Vimo?
For facilities at Vimont, their environment is so very comfortable.
Yes.
Because the environment is cleaners.
So okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Today I bring with me my friend Isfarid because he want to show to us about the interesting food place. So can you tell us where's the place that you want to show us?
Yes, I want to show you all the best food place in UUN. This place is 3 km from UUN. You know this place?
I think it's Kaki.
Yes, this is Kachi. Kachi has a mall. This is a Kachi mall. When you want to know this place, let's go.
Let's go.
This is a Kachi mall. Kachi mall has a many special food category. For your information, Kachi mall have 10 stores.
Now, I choose the special menu in the Kachi mall. First, I choose this food. This is a nasi lemak. Second, I choose the nasi tomato. Okay. After this, I choose the drinking a teh o and teh ice. First, I would like to taste nasi lemak. For nasi lemak, have a chicken, egg, ikan bilis, cucumber, and sambal. Let's me try. It is so good. This food is so delicious.